Hey everyone, Sony China has added the SRS-XB100 portable wireless speaker to its list of audio products. This device is intended to produce rich sound in a small and easy-to-use form factor. The SRS-XB100 is distinguished by its lightweight, cylindrical appearance, which weighs only 274 grams. Because of this, it is incredibly portable, and Sony has made carrying it easier with a detachable double suspension strap. The speaker's anti-skid silicone bottom ensures stability when positioned vertically, increasing its adaptability to a variety of environments. In terms of audio performance, the SRS-XB100 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a full-range speaker and a passive radiator, delivering clear sound and powerful bass. Sony's unique DSP technology further enhances the low-frequency response for deep, rich bass tones. The addition of a sound diffusion processor ensures wider sound dispersion, filling the room with immersive audio. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.3 support, offering extended range and improved stability for wireless connections. The speaker is also rated IP67 dust and water resistant, making it suitable for outdoor adventures and poolside parties without worry. With a focus on convenience, the SRS-XB100 provides up to 16 hours of playback on a single charge, ensuring uninterrupted music enjoyment throughout the day. It supports USB-C charging, adding to its modern appeal and compatibility with various devices. For enhanced control and customization, users can utilize the Sony Music Center app. This app allows for easy management of playback, sound adjustments, and even customization of the speaker's illumination for a personalized experience. Moreover, the speaker can be paired with another SRS-XB100 unit for stereo sound, perfect for creating a dynamic audio setup. Beyond its primary function as a music player, the SRS-XB100 includes a built-in microphone for hands-free calling. Sony incorporates echo cancellation technology to deliver clear audio during calls, even in noisy environments, ensuring seamless communication. Pre-orders for the Sony SRS-XB100 portable wireless speaker are currently being accepted in China for 399 yuan, or roughly $55. The speaker will go on sale officially on April 1st, and come in 4 eye-catching color combinations: black, gray, orange, and blue. With this news, the speaker, which was first introduced in India in July of last year, has entered the Chinese market. In keeping with its commitment to the environment, Sony has included sustainable features in the SRS-XB100. Recycled plastic is used in the speaker's body and strap, supporting environmentally beneficial production techniques. Sony's dedication to minimizing its environmental impact is further demonstrated by the packaging, which is completely devoid of plastic. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have no questions. Have a nice day and God bless you.